Unfortunately, I lost a lot of audio when I was making this video, so there will be audio clips there when I'm using my phone and at the end of the video. One of the reasons why I'm taking that off is because of that wire. It's broken and it eventually catches on that edge. So we're going to take the actuator off from in here. I'm not sure I really need to disconnect that one, and I need to disconnect it in there, and just a matter of unclipping the connector. That will allow me to connect the new one. Popped on the actuator onto the small ball, and I'm going to do the same at this side. You'll see that because it's difficult to get my hands in there and the camera in there to let you see that. So that's that now on to this part that's under here. Grease it, and goes into the slot here. So I'm going to lift that up twist that in, and that's it clipped in. That one. So that's us, got our panel back on again. I've got these on with new clips. I've put that on, this on. The wire is in its position there. With new spring clips. Actuators on from here. New wire on this side, these bits are on now. Clips are in. New wire, and we've broken this, which I'll need to come up with a solution for. So I think now we're about to test it and see how well it works. So here we go. Test. Yep, that worked fine. It's a wee bit, it's a bit more flexible than it was. Try bringing it up. So as you'll notice in the last video when I was doing that, I was getting an error beep from the other side of the car. So I'm quite happy that it's going up. Cool. So another thing what happens is when the tailgates, the upper and lower, get out of sync, it might not work properly. So you can, if you listen carefully, when I hold that in, you can hear that beep, that's it resetting it. The other thing you can do, why you'd want to do this I don't know, so you can manually bring it down, hold it there, hold your button in, hear the beep, car's going to shut. So what that should do is allow the tailgate only to come up so far. So you'll notice the tailgate's not up fully. So if you've got a problem with your tailgate, it's not extending fully, what you can do is you can push it up all the way, hold your button in, wait for the single beep, that's it resetting again, and we'll see if this time opens fully. So there we go, it's open fully. So I'm quite happy with that. So let's close the video. Thanks for watching. Cheers for now.